There are several instances where I have encountered students feeling jittery or feeling unconfident when they are not taking coachings. Guys, there is nothing to feel jittery about not taking coachings. There is nothing to feel unconfident about without not taking coachings and giving your examinations without doing coachings, because yes, it is possible to clear CMA examination without coachings. And it's not only possible to clear the examination without coaching, but it's also possible to get a rank. Today I have with me CMA Anshul Pathak, All India rank holder 28, who has cleared CMA final without taking even a single coaching. Congratulations, Anshul. This is a big achievement which you have done, and definitely I'm sure your parents must be feeling proud of you at this moment when you've told them that mom, I've cleared a CMA final, and that too with a rank, All India 28th rank. So first question, how did your mom and dad and parents and family react to your rank?
They were like simply just wow. It was unexpected. Actually, sir, I was not very good in studies from my childhood, but as we go further, the marks were even getting better time by time. So I don't think that they expected any rank or something. They just wanted me to clear the exams. That's all. That's simple. But the rank is actually something that she didn't expect.
So yes, most of us just pray that we clear our examinations properly and we just get those golden 50 marks, and that's it, that's end of the journey. But yes, getting an amazing gift, a rank is something which will really be helpful to all of you in your corporate world also. So Anshul, now all my subscribers are having a keen eye on you to let them know what were the tips. What did you do to attain a rank? What are the simple steps which you followed to attain a rank? What was the schedule? What was the planning like to get a rank in CMA final?
See, the first thing is there is no any like medicine or a drug you can just stir in the water and just drink and you can get a rank. It's like you all have your own planning, and you should be stick on that particular planning you have. And the basic thing is your preparation should not be quantitative, it should be qualitative. It doesn't matter how much you study, how many hours you give into your studies. The thing matters is how effectively you utilize these hours. So the hours we studied should be devoted to the studies only, and without any social media or any other distractions.
Okay, so my next question to you is, didn't you even feel afraid for once that I have not taken coaching for any of the subject? My all friends are taking coachings for all the subjects. How would I pass? Didn't you even was afraid for once?
When there's a will, there's a way.
That's a good one.
So no, for not even a single second I thought that taking coaching is compulsory for me. But for some times it was like I should take coaching for that particular thing or for that particular subject, but your lectures helped me out very much for these things. So no, it's not that key. Without coachings you cannot attain any rank or you cannot being a CMA.
Which study materials did you refer to, and what were your study plan like during the end moment of the examination dates? What were your contents of study, and what were the contents since beginning of your preparations?
First of all, I need to clear that the best study material is provided by the institute only, and everyone should follow that particular study material for those effective study. Apart from that, you can take any other supportive notes and all these things. There are many people who just plan and when it comes to the execution, they are just like that. So if you plan for like 1,000 times, the execution should be 1,001. So execution is important, maybe the crucial part.
Absolutely.
And just be confident. You know, the third aspect is just to be confident for what you want to be, what you are, and you know what you want to be in your life. You should focus on that. I'm sure you not want to be a social platform star or a social media hit. So you should study on your you should focus on your studies. That will take you to somewhere.
Perfect. And those were the 3 key ingredients of success. Undoubtedly, everyone has been telling you all these things, and there's nothing new what Anshul has just told you. But you have to execute it. That is the most important part, because if you don't execute it, then not even God can help you. God only helps those who help themselves, and you should have will, courage to execute and to perform well. One very important thing which I came to know about Anshul is that, guys, Anshul appeared for both the groups in December 2018. And yes, he failed both the groups in December 2018 examination. Then he again appeared in June 2019, and here is Anshul, a rank holder in front of you. So all of you who have not been able to achieve success in the June 2019 examination, please don't feel demotivated, because we are going to ask Anshul what were his strategies to gain back that confidence to pick up the book again and study again, and this time get a rank. So Anshul, I'm eagerly waiting to hear from you that what were your strategies after failing, because you get demotivated, you get depressed. And many of us have not been able to clear June 2019 attempt, and we are demotivated, we are feeling dejected. How should we again gain that strength and conquer December 2019 attempt?
I was very disappointed with my result in February. I don't know if I should continue with the course or not. But I don't have any options, you know. I have to do it, and otherwise I don't know what should I do and what I've done. So sooner or later, you have to study if you want to be someone that recognized in normal public. So if you want to be a part of crowd, it's very easy. But if you want to stand out and be the reason for the crowd, so you have to do something. And that something is just to make your will, you know, for studying in that particular, if you're talking about that particular course in our field, study is important. Everyone know. So it took me around 1 month to maintain that curriculum back for the exams. So the time was March end, and I studied and keep studying for like 12 to 13 or 14, sometimes 15 hours a day, mostly night, and without without taking care of my result, upcoming result, you know. So I just want to do my work. That is my part of work, to study and give the exams, but result is not my part of work. So that was the only thing I can do, so I did it very best I can do.
Perfect. So all of you who are really demotivated right now, I know it's a tough situation to face, but guys, come out of the agony, come out of the pain. Please start studying again. There is no problem in start studying again if you just fix up your mind. It's all in your mind. Just like Anshul has molded his mind in a way that he could start all over again, you can also start all over again. No matter what has been your result, no matter whether you've scored 30, 40 or 20, 10, whatever marks you've scored in your June 2019, doesn't matter at all. Gather courage and start once again. And with that positive note, Anshul, from all the subscribers of my channel, I wish you all the very best for your corporate stint. Now, definitely, we are going to see you as a cost manager or a director of a big company very, very soon. And hope that your corporate stints is very, very fruitful, nice, and ever growing.
Thank you so much, sir. I don't know how to thank you. You were always there for me. No, really, I mean it. Thank you so much for your support.
Welcome. And I'm always there for all the CMA students, whether you are taking coaching, not taking coaching, whether you're doing inter, final. If you face any problem, you can anytime ping me. And of course, Anshul is always there from now onwards for all of you. You can go to my profile and search for Anshul Pathak, and he's there, and he'll be definitely be responding to your messages on Facebook Messenger whenever he gets time. And as it is said, a pen is mightier than a sword. So I would like to gift a pen to Anshul for his amazing achievement in the examination. Anshul, this is your pen. Please sign your first offer letter with this pen, and definitely these are my blessings to you and my entire channel's blessings to you. Congratulations and all the best once again. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.